Use in WhatsApp effective. Using WhatsApp effectively can enhance your communication experience and streamline your interactions. Here are some tips and tricks to make the most out of WhatsApp. 1. Customize notifications. Personalize your notification settings to manage your incoming messages effectively. You can choose different sounds, vibrations, and LED colors for individual contacts or groups. Open the chat, tap on the contact group name, and select Custom Notifications. 2. Star important messages. To quickly access essential messages, long press the message and tap the star icon. You can find all starred messages in the Starred Messages section in the main menu. 3. Use WhatsApp Web Desktop. Utilize the web or desktop version of WhatsApp to stay connected while working on your computer. Open WhatsApp on your phone, go to Settings, Link Devices, and scan the QR code on the web desktop version. 4. Mute noisy groups. If you're part of a group that frequently sends messages, but you don't want to be disturbed, you can mute it. Open the group, tap the group name, select Mute Notifications, and choose the desired duration. 5. Hide last seen and read receipts. To maintain privacy, you can disable the last seen timestamp and read receipts. Go to Settings, Account Privacy, and customize the options as per your preference. 6. Reply to specific messages. To respond to a particular message within a chat, long press the message and tap the reply icon. This feature helps maintain clarity in group conversations. 7. Use formatting in messages. Add emphasis to your messages by using formatting options. Put an asterisk before and after a word for bold, underscore for italics, and tilde for strike-through. 8. Pin important chats. Pinning chats helps you keep essential conversations at the top. Long press the chat and tap the pin icon. You can have up to 3 pinned chats. 9. Search messages. When trying to find a specific message, use the search option. Tap on the chat, and at the top, you'll find the search bar. Enter keywords or phrases to find relevant messages quickly. 10. Create shortcuts for conversations. Android users can create a shortcut to a specific chat on their home screen for quick access. Long press the chat, tap the 3-dot menu, and select Add Conversation Shortcut. 11. Use broadcast lists. Instead of sending the same message to multiple contacts individually, create a broadcast list. Open the main menu, tap New Broadcast, add contacts, and send the message. Replies will be received individually. 12. Share your location. Easily share your live location with contacts or groups. Tap the attachment icon, Location, and choose Share Live Location to specify the duration. 13. Reply privately in group chats. If you want to reply privately to a message sent in a group chat, long press the message, tap the 3-dot menu, and select Reply Privately. 14. Back up your chats. Regularly back up your chats to prevent data loss. Go to Settings, Chats, Chat Backup, and select the backup frequency and storage option. 15. Disable auto-download. Save storage space and data by customizing your auto-download settings. Go to Settings, Storage and Data, when using mobile data, Wi-Fi, and choose what media to auto-download or disable it altogether. 16. Use WhatsApp status. Share photos, videos, or text updates with your contacts by posting a WhatsApp status. Tap on the Status tab and tap the camera icon to add a new status. 17. Reply with voice messages. Instead of typing long messages, hold the microphone icon and record a voice message to send. Swipe up to lock the recording, which allows you to record without holding the microphone button. 18. Create and use WhatsApp stickers. Express yourself with personalized stickers. You can create custom stickers using third-party sticker maker apps or download sticker packs from the WhatsApp sticker store. 19. Use WhatsApp in low data mode. If you have limited data or a slow internet connection, Enable the low data usage option in settings, data and storage usage. This reduces the amount of data consumed during calls. 20. Mark messages as unread. To remember to reply to a message later, mark it as unread. Long press the message, tap the three-dot menu, and select Mark as unread. It will appear with a blue dot. 21. Switch between voice and video calls. During a voice call, you can switch to a video call by tapping the video camera icon. This feature allows you to seamlessly transition from voice to video communication. 22. Create and share QR codes. Generate QR codes for your WhatsApp number or a specific chat. Go to Settings greater than QR code, and choose Scan Code, or My Code, to share or scan QR codes. 23. Format text in status updates. Add text formatting to your WhatsApp status updates. Type your status, and use asterisks, asterisk, for bold, underscores, underscore, for italics, and tilde, tilde, for strike-through. 24. Use two-step verification. Enhance your account security by enabling two-step verification. Go to Settings, Account, Two-Step Verification and set up a PIN code. This adds an extra layer of protection to your account. 25. Archive chats. To declutter your chat list without deleting conversations, you can archive chats. Swipe left on a chat, tap the archive icon, and it will be moved to the Archive Chats section. 26. Share media from other apps. Share photos, videos, or documents directly from other apps to WhatsApp. Open the app with the media, select the content, tap the Share button, and choose WhatsApp. 27. Use WhatsApp Business. If you have a business or provide services, consider using WhatsApp Business. It offers additional features like automated greetings, labels for organizing chats, and business profile information. 28. Use voice commands. If your hands are occupied, you can use voice commands to send messages or make calls. Activate your voice assistant, such as Siri or Google Assistant, and say, send a WhatsApp message to contact name, or make a WhatsApp call to contact name. 29. Limit data usage for calls. To conserve data during voice and video calls, go to Settings, Data and Storage Usage, Call Settings. Choose Low Data Usage to reduce the amount of data consumed during calls. 30. Block unwanted contacts. If you receive spam or unwanted messages, you can block the contact. Open the chat, tap the contact group name, scroll down, and select Block. You won't receive messages or calls from blocked contacts. Remember, WhatsApp continuously updates its features, so stay tuned for new additions and improvements. Utilize these tips and tricks to enhance your WhatsApp experience and make your communication more efficient and enjoyable. Thanks for watching.